Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing the MG Freedom Gundam 2.0. As you can see here, this one is a dramatic combination. Basically, this is the MG Freedom Gundam 2.0 with a figurized bus Kira Yamato in one box. In this part, we can see some of the gimmicks and accessories of the Freedom Gundam. If you wanna make an amazing display, you can also buy the other figurized bus of Atron Zala and Lucas Klein to complete the series. And this 2017 kit was released for 5700 yen. Switching to the other side, we can see the details of both Freedom Gundam and Kira Yamato. How it will look like after some paintings and secret details. Now let's open it up. Here's what it will look like inside, and oh my, that's a lot of runners. Now here's the manual book. And here are the runners. Now stacking all the runners together to see how much plastic we are paying for. So here's the summary of the unboxing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be uploading the stop motion build video soon. Please leave a like and comment on this video. Do subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you later.